Hi everyone, this is Pujita. Currently, I am taking Java full stack coaching in NewZen Infotech. My trainer name is Surendra Sir. Now, I want to explain one of the concept in Java is Java Bean and POJO. Firstly, we want to explain Java Bean. The class which have private data members initialized through getters setters is known as Java Bean, which will have only non-parameterized constructor only. Getters. First, we want to explain getters. Getters are used to Getters are used to fetch or retrieve the informations. Getters have only read-only access. Getters will follow the only return type as per the data type. Getters will access the private data members in different classes also. Then setters. Setters are used to provide the values to the private members. Setters will have only write-only access. Setters will follow the return type read void only. Now example. This is the code for Java Bean. Here we have to follow setter methods and getter methods. In setter methods, we want to have only return type void. In getter method, we have only return type is string. This is the concept of Java Bean. Next, POJO. POJO means plain old Java object. If you have any argument in the private data members like through initialized through constructors, setters and getters is known as POJO. This is one of the concepts from Java Bean. For we want to take an example. This is the concept of POJO. Here we want to use getters and setter methods also. It's the one of concept of Java Bean. So here we have to use getter method by using string. String means we use get name, and another one is setter by using only void. Thank you.